Connie here.
And it's May here.
First of all, we went to IKEA to buy boxes to organize our house, but we bought things else. What did we come here to buy again?
Boxes.
Oh, then what about this? This is what happens if we come to IKEA. We buy something else.
Yeah, we bought all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There's too much. So now we got home from IKEA and we are going to be showing you what we bought from IKEA. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So first of all, I want to ask you,
Why did you buy this much?
買っちゃったの。
Why?
これでも我慢したんだよ。
no,
This is way too much.
This one.
こっちの特に大きい方はいつもコスコで大きいお肉とか買ってきた時に冷凍する時に使ってるでしょ。あとはなんか分厚くて破れにくくて他のやつより使いやすい。で値段もジップロックより安いし可愛いしとにかく使いやすい。大きい方が1個4ドルで小さい方が今回値下げしてて2ドル。
$2 and $4.
Like, about how much is this usually?
どういうこと？
今値下げしてるって言ったでしょ。普通はどのぐらい？
今値下げじゃなくてもうこれからずっと値下げすることにしたんだって。前はね 2.6 とかだったと思う。
Over half $.
あと洋服とか入れてもいいんだよね、それ大きくて。
And I just noticed that this too, on the side, they're both like different.
Kinda, it's
それが
sideways.
バッグの模様。
Yeah,
かわいい
they're
でしょ。
different. Okay, so let's go next. We're talking too much.
So, why spoons? We have so much spoons and we came to buy boxes.
違うの聞いて。そのね大きいスプーンはいつもあんまり家に数がなくて、で本当は買いたいスプーンがあってナイフとフォークは揃えたんだけどスプーンが売り切れで次お店に入ったら買おうと思ってたんだけどいつまで経っても入らなくって聞いたらもうないって言われた。
Mom,
はい。
if you're gonna buy this, if you were planning to buy these, then don't buy the other glass spoons.
正解。
They're not
あ、
glass.
それは、
Oh, yeah.
ちなみに、6ドル。何本入ってる？
3. So $2.
No, $6. 6. So $1
Oh,
each.
so there's 2 in each row. Oh, so $1 each. That's pretty cheap, right? So next. And then next is, what is that?
Can I get it out of the bag? Okay. So this, I know what it is. So like it's this, so usually it's just like this, but this you can pull here and hang it on the sink. So you don't have to stand it or hold it every time.
最近姉ちゃんがサラダ当番してくれるからでも野菜を洗うのに野菜ごとにボウルを出してきてお母さんが全部洗わなきゃいけないからそれをシンクに置いといたら姉ちゃんそこでそれ一つで全部洗い8ドル。
Yeah, so I could just keep it on, get the things, and then get all of them in here, and then just wash it at once, which I can't chop it at once.
And this is pretty big.
毎日よろしくね。
It's not a box, but I need this.
But you said mom was buying too much.
Yeah, it's only one, not a lot.
So next,
Oh yeah.
So
Next, this.
I've seen that.
Oops.
It's a sharpener, I think. For
Oh yeah, I thought
See
it was
the
a shaper.
これはお父さんの買いお母さんは包丁を研がない。
Daddy
So-
didn't buy too much. He was planning to buy this. Mom was planning to buy all of these.
それは5ドル。
So it's cheaper than your thing, salad thing.
Is it cheap or is it?
使ってみないとわかんないね。どのぐらいシャープになるか。
Yeah, you just put your knife here and then you scroll it
Yeah, but you
around.
have to put water here.
Oh yeah,
めいちゃんも
Make it
ちょっと
clean.
研がないとね。
it's getting.
Oh,
It
what
was
next?
mine. I got it for my birthday.
What is this? What is this?
それは何だと思う？
Handkerchief? Oh, it says, wait, napkin?
It's called a rinning.
Wait,
Four
let's
times
see.
a rinning, that's what it says.
Oh, it's,
それは洗った食器を拭くクロス。
Oh!
それは何枚入ってる？
Four.
4枚で$3。
so
it's,
each is 75 cents?
そう、お母さんは
Wow.
ダラーツリーより安くてちょっとおしゃれなものが買える。ダラーツリーは全部$1でしょ。1個$1以下でちょっと可愛いですね。
Okay, so
Okay.
let's move on.
Trays. Snack time!
Snack trays?
そう。
Yeah, these are cute.
スナックと朝ごはん用かな。綺麗にしてもうお皿みたいに使う。
Oh, like a big plastic plate or something.
So if you want dinner, you can put like rice and all that stuff.
それはしない。
It'll look really fancy.
トレイそれ。
So we can put like bread, peanut butter, jelly. Make our own peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Or you can put bread, ham, and cheese.
And cabbage. Not cabbage.
Spinach.
Well, whatever.
Whatever.
サンド1つね。
Wow. Each $6.
Wait. So $6 total, right? Yeah.
ダラーツリーより高いね。
She noticed it now. That's surely a clock.
これお母さんの買い物じゃないよ。
Yeah, it's ours. But we said we bought too much. This is ours.
No.
なんでそれ買ったの？
Because our clock, when we wake up, it's already 7:30, but then now the clock is still showing 6:30, which I get mixed up, so I can't wake up early, and it's broken. Definitely broken.
現地変えたら？
Yeah, we did that, but the
Still broken.
yeah, the second hand stopped.
And sometimes it goes
Yeah,
goes
and
back again.
and then when we turn the timer on,
The time, the
Yeah.
whole time stops.
and when we turn it on, when we wake up, it's off.
The tooth fairy's doing that, I guess.
じゃあ学校始まったらそれでちゃんと起きてね。
I'm gonna wake
何
up
時に起きるの？
6:30.
$10。
$10.
It's more
日
than
本でも
$1.
1000円ぐらいかな。
It's more than $1.
You can buy it at Dollar Tree for $1. I guess there aren't any clocks at Dollar Tree.
So what is this?
Toothbrush. You put toothbrush on it. And
Oh, I think I know.
何？
I think like we put like non-scented candles in here and put the aroma refuser
How do
on,
you know?
so then we can smell things. This is just for fancy.
ただのねキャンドルホルダー。
We could cut it off.
そ
and
れ
put
が
it in
なん
here.
と30セントだったの。
So how much is it usually? So I don't know if it's cheap or
50セン
not.
ト。
Oh wow!
Yeah, you only
Price.
need 2 quarters, and then you can buy
No,
今
that
の
is
キャンドル
the-
なくなったらあと2つぐらい買い足すかも。
this.
Oh yeah, we can go next.
These
Those two are bath towels. So here it is. Let me open it all.
Ta-da!
KAMEHOUSE ended. No, I'm just kidding. It's not ended.
そろそろ変えようかなと思ってたら好きな色を見つけたから買っちゃった。あ、しかも
Oh, there.
安くなってて買ったんだけどレジに持って行ったらさらに安かった。これ
Yay!
ねアメリカショッピングあるあるだよ。
Mom?
ついてる値段と違うのレジに行くと。これがもともと$10だったやつが 5.99 ってなってたからよし2枚買おうと思って2枚買ったら 5.5 だったレジ。なぜかはわからない。
So,
でも
Mom, this is definitely not a box.
Well, you can put it in the box.
Yeah.
It does relate to box.
Well, let's
Oh,
go.
let's go next. Oh wait. How much is it? Oh wait, you already said that.
Into box, I think. This is not a
Wait, what
box.
is this first? What is this? A pillow? Or is it a this?
抱き
Or is it? I'm a koala.
抱き枕。
So
Kim, get off of it. Get off of it.
それお母さんのね。
What? Who bought it?
お父さんがお母さんに買ってくれたやつね。
So which means yeah.
これはね、あれだね。これ一番高級品。$30。
Ooh, it's more than $1.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
We could go.
Okay, I think we're finally into boxes.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, a lot of things that we did.
Whoops. This is my shopping. So I wanted this for crafts.
You have too much shopping. You have too much shopping. Then I only have one more shop.
So there's a photo over here how it's gonna turn out.
You sat on me.
At last, after we share all of these with you, we're gonna build it up. And
You sat on me.
so this is
それは$18。あら高級
Oh
品。
wow.
okay.
Let me start with those.
で、こっからがお母さんがお片付けのために買ったボックスたちね。
So is this like a basket to put towels?
うん、野菜入れようかと思って。
Vegetables?
それ$13。
Why? Why did you buy it?
おしゃれでしょ。
You can like carve up a
ほ
box.
ら今トレジョの紙袋に入れてる。
And next is this. This is no. This is what it looks like.
それが1個$3。
So $6. So it's
Same
like
as
our
the tray.
Yeah, same as the tray. So what do we use it for?
それは2階のバスルームの周りで使う。
Okay, so let's go next. So as you can see here, it's like a box, maybe. Feels so good.
そう、それはフェルト生地みたいなのでできたボックスで、
It looks like an
手
underwear.
袋とかみんなのマフラーとか入れるか
For outside.
Nida.
How much is
ら。
it?
それは$10。
So next is finally putting books in it. Oh, well, first of all, this is what it looks like.
それは
Daike.
本とか一人で立てない本とかを紙のものとかを整理するやつ。多分2つじゃ足りないんだけど、どんな感じかちょっと2つか。
This is a box you can buy as much as you want.
Thank you。2つで$13。プラスチックのやつでね、わーんって広がっちゃうんだよね、いっぱい入れる
So
What
this
do
is
you
not
want?
plastic.
と良さそうでしょ。
So next is a bucket. This is what it looks like. So there's two, just so you know. And so this is one of, like, they're both the same, so I'm going to show you one, but this is what it looks like. There's two handles. Oh, I just noticed that this part is like down and then this part is like a wall.
それはうちのキッチンのカウンターの下のキャビネット奥の方がすっごく取りづらいの、作りが古くてね。
Yeah, because I always put it in like
そう。
And then when I get it out, I bump my head.
だ中広いのにたくさん入らない。で、いつもそれ取るのに大変でしょ。あそこに食器を入れて、で引き出しみたいにしよう
Should have bought
結構
more.
頑丈でしょ。
That was
そ
frozen.
れは1個$10。
So
あ、違います。それは1個$4.5。2個で$9。蓋がないボックスは結構安い。でもダラーツリーより高い。1個$4.5。
okay, so let's go next. So this one is it lunchbox? It looks really good if it was a lunchbox. Well,
食べ過ぎじゃない？
I can eat this much.
I can eat this one. So here is rice, here's fruits, and here's vegetables.
No, you have to eat vegetables, rice, and fruits.
No, rice.
ピンとかゴムとか、なんかちっちゃいものいっぱいあるでしょ。
Ah.
それを整理するよね。お
Because
母さん。
right.
What?
No, ours.
It's ours.
Because right now we use like chocolate cans.
それは3つセットで$7。
The big one first. So this is with there's 2 packs and each has a lid and the storage thing. So what are you gonna use this for?
それはそれとね同じ大きさの日本の無印のボックス何個か入ってるの知ってる？
I know like other boxes, but I don't know which one is from.
その季節しか使わないものとかを入れようかなと。
I want this for my clothes because like my clothes, there's too much that I can't even open the drawer. Okay.
どれぐらい頑丈かちょっとチェックしてもしかしたらもう何個か買うかも。それは1つ10ドル。蓋付きでセットで10ドル。
Oh, okay. Well, let's go next. So this is the last thing. So you're holding it. You need to put it away, or else you won't have lunch tomorrow. Okay. So this is like the little version of the big one, right? It looks. Is this like you can? Let me check.
You can put panda in here.
Oh, you can put them on top of each other.
その大きさはすごく便利で2階の洗面所の周りとあとはキッチン。でおもちゃを整理するやつ買おうと思ってたんだけど見つからなかった次の時。これは歯ブラシとか石鹸とかいつもよく使うんだけどちっちゃいものあちゃこちゃいっちゃうやつをそこにまとめて入れようかな。
Oh, so it'll smell good if you put soap.
それは蓋付きで1つ5ドル。
So $10. Because that is, I think, 2 times bigger. Maybe. That's why. So we're all finished with our things we bought. How much is it in total?
いくらだと思う？これさっきの全部で210ドル。
Oh my god. Anyways, even if it's over 200, you're buying too much. If we were going to buy these stuff, I wanted to like buy the bunk bed that had like the bed on it and then the table under it. And then I wanted more I wanted that gymnastic mat.
I wanted that dollhouse and that Lego.
Oh yeah, I wanted that Lego.
And that cooking and baking thing, like the fake one.
No, it's not fake, it's real.
Well, bye-bye.
I wanted more stuff.
でもさその欲しいやつ全部買ったらさお母さんのやつより多くない？
Oh. So, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye! Why did you buy this much?